This Montgomery Metro Realty property video is presented by Gene Williams. Country living at its best. Brick 2-bathroom home on January 2nd. Acre in the Sellers community. Barn has a workshop, back deck with an accessible ramp and a cross street from a pasture and a pond. Double attached metal carport, central HA, hardwood floors and a large master bedroom. Has been a very nice home place. Purchaser to verify school zones and square footage. For more information, review the details below or contact Gene Williams at 334-315-9600.